How to fix wpprecorder.sys blue screen error in Windows 11. Hello friends, let's see what to do when this BSOD occurs. The first and important step is install Windows Update. Click on Start, click on Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If any update is downloaded, restart your computer to complete the installation. The second one is Run System Files Checker and DISM Tools. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes on the User Account Control pop-up. Run System Files Checker and DISM command line tools one by one. Go to the video description, copy the System Files Checker command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Let the process complete. Once completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command, paste into the command prompt. Close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. See if the issue is fixed. If the blue screen still occurs, then update device drivers. Right click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. Select Device Manager. Expand the display adapters by clicking on this arrow. Right click on the graphics and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Close. Then again restart your computer and check if the issue is solved. If it still occurs, then disable NTFS compression. Click on Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes, go to the video description, copy this command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Also copy this line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Close the running tasks, restart your computer. If still the issue occurs, then perform a system restore. Click on Search, type Restore, click on Create a Restore Point. Here click on System Restore. Select the option Choose a different restore point. Click on Next. Check the box Show more restore points. Choose a restore point before the time when the blue screen started occurring. Then click on Next. Click on Finish and click on Yes. This will take some time, so wait patiently. And the blue screen error should be solved now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.